photography is all about capturing timeless beauty with a nostalgic touch. Today, we are using the Fujifilm S2 Pro, a classic DSLR, paired with a Dehancer, a powerful film emulation tool, to create stunning vintage and classic images. The Fujifilm S2 Pro was introduced in the early 2000s, and though it's a digital camera, its sensors and color science give a natural film-like quality. To enhance this look, we'll be shooting in a RAW and applying film emulation in post-production. To achieve a vintage look, start by setting the ISO and low for minimal digital noise. Use a wide aperture for soft background and natural light to mimic classic film exposure. A fast shutter speed helps maintain sharpness while keeping the classic depth of field. When composing your shots, look for warm tones, soft lighting, and vintage subjects like old buildings, retro outfits, or antique props. Aim for composition that evoke emotion, just like classic film photography. Now, let's take our images into a Dehancer to bring out the true vintage aesthetic. First, choose a film profile like a Kodak Portra 400 or Ilford HP5 for a nostalgic look. Adjust the grain, elation, and bloom to add the character and authenticity to the image. Finally, tweak with contrast and tones to match the classic film aesthetic. With the Fujifilm S2 Pro and Dehancer, we successfully recreated a timeless vintage photography style. Whether you are shooting portraits or landscapes, these tools can bring that nostalgic feel to your images. And guys, if you are searching for a perfect background music or sound effects for your content or video, check the Audio. Again guys, the Audio is a platform that you can download tons of fresh background music and sound effects. And again, they have a cool 2 AI, the Hans AI and the Link Match. Easy to use and perfect to match your video. So again, if you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description and put the special code. And again, you will get a 70% off for the Audio Pro in 1 year. Try out this method and let us know your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your vintage photography journey. See you in the next video.